Tired of squinting at your tiny laptop screen and juggling multiple windows? Well, get ready to unlock a world of productivity by transforming your iPad into a second monitor for your Windows PC. It's easier than you think. First, you'll need to download a compatible application on both your iPad and Windows computer. A great option is Spacedesk, and the links are conveniently located in the description below for your convenience. Begin by installing the Spacedesk driver software on your Windows computer, ensuring you grant all necessary permissions during the installation process. Next, head over to your iPad and download the Spacedesk app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app. The Spacedesk app should automatically detect your Windows computer, provided both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. If it doesn't appear, double-check that your Wi-Fi is enabled on both devices and that they are on the same network. Tap the detected connection, and just like that, your iPad instantly becomes an extension of your Windows desktop. Now, you can drag windows seamlessly between your primary display and your iPad, effortlessly multitasking and expanding your workspace. Enjoy your newfound portable dual monitor setup for enhanced productivity, creative projects, and simplified multitasking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tips and tricks.